FBD Cyber Insurance Ireland app. The pros, the cons. The FBD Cyber Insurance Ireland app is designed to make managing your abuse and cyber coverage straightforward and efficient. Most people assume cyber insurance apps are just digital policy holders, but FBD goes a step further. It lets you submit claims, track premiums, and get real-time notifications about incidents and coverage updates. On the pros side, the app provides access to comprehensive cyber coverage, including data breach, ransomware, and cyber liability policies. Claims submission is simple. You can upload invoices, screenshots, and supporting documents directly from your phone. Premium tracking is transparent, with reminders for upcoming payments and a clear history of past transactions. Push notifications keep you informed about claim progress, policy changes, and renewals. The app also provides guidance on cyber risk prevention, helping businesses respond quickly to threats before they escalate. On the con side, offline functionality is limited, meaning most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when handling large files or older claims. Additionally, advanced analytics for proactive risk management are not fully integrated, which could be useful for businesses wanting to anticipate threats before they happen. In conclusion, the FBD Cyber Insurance Ireland app is a reliable, practical tool for businesses looking to stay on top of their cyber coverage. While it lacks some advanced predictive features, it excels in claims management, premium tracking, and real-time notifications. For businesses seeking simplicity and efficiency in managing cyber insurance, this app delivers real value.